welcome to my CamiyogAIR channel of aerial yoga magic, of classes and more. So this series, basic series, will be concentrated on short videos where I introduce you slowly how to go into some particular poses or transitions, because they're quite sometimes complicated, and during full-length classes we just don't have that much time to concentrate on one thing. So please follow my channel for weekly updates, and let's go on the silk. Okay, so today we're gonna go through in detail flip to cocoon, to shavasana, which usually we do towards the end of a class, or of course you can do from that flip in cocoon other poses. So it's one of our most popular flip. So let's see how it looks. And we ended up here in cocoon. So now from the start, you spread the silk through the whole length and putting the silk over your shoulders as if it would be a scarf or a jacket. So note that my fingers, 4 fingers, are holding the silk, palm is towards the ceiling, the thumb is loose. And in here, we're bringing one elbow backwards circle. That means going through the side, backwards, up and forwards. And the other one the same, so that your elbows would be packed into the silk. Then go backwards, that you would be in between the hooks, or if it's on one, so under the one hook. And lean forward, bend forward. In here, you should feel already how the silk holds your shoulders. And while still holding the edges, straighten your arms up, so slide up through the edges, still holding them. So the movement looks like this, yeah? So not towards your head, but towards the ceiling. And then, still holding the edges, you bend your knees, and you're jumping through, lifting your pelvis, your lower back, through this little ball. So jumping and then pulling yourself through your arm power into the silk. So if you're still struggling to jump in, perhaps you're doing one thing that stops you from going in. So stop looking at the ground, because in that way you're keeping your the whole back straight. You need to curl it into a little ball. So instead of looking into the mat, look towards your belly. Actually even swing from your head into the center. So bending your knees and through your head going in and bringing your arms in, bending your elbows to pull yourself into the cocoon. So there you go. You can also do the flip out, right? So if I go in through that jump, the same way you can just go backwards and end up here. So there you go, guys. This is a flip, the simple basic flip to the silk going into cocoon and other poses. So I hope it was useful for you to learn all those basics for the aerial yoga, and follow my channel, subscribe to it for weekly updates, for longer classes and for these short basic throughout detail poses. So see you soon. Namaste.